Dogelon Mars at present exchanges closed dollars and on lend into 5 Dogelon Marslan records essentially descending development today, which especially is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars pick up bullish speed over the in every practical sense, past week acquiring 142%. The especially current exchanging volume of Dogelon Mars truly is at $1.078, 656 in an in every practical sense significant way. 31 Walk 2024. In this video, we will, in a real sense, walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually explicitly clarified pressing issues facts, what for the most part is all things considered. Momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, in a real sense, is elon a by and large wise venture, or so they most certainly thought. Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. However, prior to jumping kind of profound into the elon specialized examination, sort of allowed us essentially to discuss the kind of current economic situations incredibly. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a defeat of 184%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461, or so they in every way that really matters thought. The really all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $62, 396, 878, 040, which basically is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 1633%, or so they really thought, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70, 740, 73 level after a vertical development of 0.74%. Showing that the all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $62, 396, 878, 040, which for the most part is very huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 2.6% coming to $3, 624.18 during the past 24 hours in an extremely significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time period, exhibiting that 31 Walk 2024. In this video, we will fundamentally walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and especially attempt to answer these regularly. Basically clarified pressing issues facts, what by and large is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, generally is elon and especially wise speculation, which essentially is genuinely huge. Sol, the very local coin of Solana in every way that really matters, is somewhere near site 17 and right now exchanging at $196.69 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 0.60 subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. These occasions in a real show that the market in every way that really matters is going in a descending heading for truly present moment, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 1633% in an essentially significant manner. As of now, a truly broad, truly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an especially huge way. Dogelon Mars execution. The everyday diagram of Dogelon Mars basically shows that the elon value sort of has an extremely descending development with a 251% diminishing in beyond 24 hours, which for the most part is very huge. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars elon coin certainly is remaining at $1.25 with market capitalization $136, 963, 872 USD, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Elon cost changes 142% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume in every way that really matters is floating around $1.78, 656 USD, so the in every practical sense, current exchanging volume of Dogelon Mars for the most part is at $1.78, 656 or so they explicitly thought. What generally is Dogelon Mars elon, which truly is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars most certainly is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon in an unpretentious manner. It follows the case of fundamentally other effective canine coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelon Mars sort of plays on a few well-known subjects in the image coin space, which explicitly is very critical. Its name in a real sense is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the extremely rich person business visionary who essentially is a candid ally of Doge, showing how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70 to 740.73 level after a vertical development of 0.74%, exhibiting that the kind of complete exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $62 396 878.40 in an unpretentious manner. It insinuates Mars, a twist on the truly renowned moon image, inferring that Dogelon will encounter a huge vertical development, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Past its especially facetious name, Dogelon Mars basically has in every way that really matters figured out how to basically fabricate a critical local area with essentially in excess of 300,000 Twitter devotees and considerably more than 84,000 supporters on Wire, or so they in a real sense thought. Who really are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars, or so they in a real sense thought. Very much like truly is the situation for its considerably more conspicuous and more settled cousins. The organizers behind this truly specific canine coin in every practical sense are obscure, exhibiting that right now a sort of broad, truly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 0.60 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. That in a real sense is generally a sort of normal event for image coins, and financial backers certainly are very much encouraged, especially because of especially an expected level of effort with semi-secret coins to generally try not to succumb to pernicious practices like carpet pulls and leave tricks. So elon explicitly has been available for especially a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little, exhibiting that market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There was a ruin of 184%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461 in a really significant manner. What in every practical sense makes Dogelon Mars exceptional, or so they all things considered thought. Dogelon Mars in every way that really matters utilizes a diverting commonly comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name as a foundation for its coin, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the universe and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his certainly goes through the stars. Fundamentally, a few kind of short comics are distributed on the coin site that especially follow Dogelon on his experiences to Mars, where he really meets companions and goes on undertakings, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars doesn't really have a guide in essence, yet rather fostered a dream variant through its comics, further showing how Dogelon Mars doesn't basically have a guide as such, yet rather fostered a dream rendition through its comics, which explicitly is genuinely critical. After the recolonization of Mars in 2040, Dogelon will truly need to battle for sort of endurance against the annihilators, which generally is genuinely critical. This fantasized rendition proposes that once the coin especially is recorded on all significant trades, the cost of elon will sort of reach Mars, or in beautiful different words, it will exchange at a sort of